Alright, Master Designers, tonight we're going to draw Cobalion from Pokemon Black and White, Rival Destinies, Kyurem versus the Sword of Justice. Cobalion is codenamed the Iron Will Pokemon. He's a Steel and Fighting type. And he's got it has a body and heart of steel. Its glare is sufficient to unwillingly have Pokemon obey it. But it has a sense for justice. That's saying something because he's part of the Swords of Justice. And finished. That's how you draw a Cobalion. Proud you all enjoyed this episode. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. By the way, Cobalion, which they call cobalion, is also Keldio's teacher.